Well, the sound problem has been solved. Fantastic. UK Infamous pointed me in the right direction, but I just thank everybody who responded. And I've just made a little short video explaining what was wrong to help those who may have a similar problem, and there seem to be an awful lot of them on the internet. So this was what was wrong with it. There were in fact two things wrong with it. That was the problem. If there'd just been the one thing wrong, it might have been easier to solve, but there were two things which were wrong. Anyway, this is what it was about. So I just left click on start and go to control panel. This is Windows 7 I'm using. So left click on there and you get this little pop-up panel here, and if you look at all the alternatives, this one deals with sound, so I just left click on there and you get all these alternatives on the hardware and sound pop-up. So I just left click on that sound and this thing pops up, and this is where the first problem was. The speakers were the default device, not the telly. So to put that right, I just right click on the telly and I get another little pop-up and it says there set as default device. So I just left click on there and this now becomes the default device. This thing appears. I don't know what it's about, but we'll ignore it for the time being. So the telly is now the default device. And if I go down into the bottom corner, there's a little upward pointing arrow there. If I just left click on that, you get all these hidden icons appear. And this one seems to be the crucial one. So if I just right click on that one, you get another pop-ups everywhere, you get another one. And you left click on this open volume mixer and you get this pop-up here, which has two sort of slidey bars there. This one's for the telly and this is for system sounds. Now when you play a video, a third bar appears here. So I'll bring up a video from the computer and we'll have a look at this thing again. So this is playing a video from the computer and you'll see this third bar has appeared, and this is Windows Media Player, which is being used to replay this video from the computer. So if I bring the same video up from the internet, from YouTube, we can have a look at this again and see the difference. So this is watching the same video from YouTube, and you'll see that this has appeared as the third bar, this one here. And this is where the problem was. This little slidey job here was at the bottom. If I slide that up to the top, you should hear the sound appear on the telly.
But even though the day would be nice, because of all the rain, the rivers will be unfishable. So this is just a little window of opportunity which I've latched onto.
Wow, isn't that amazing? Brilliant. Once again, thanks very much. Well, it's so easy when you know how, but when you're short of computer know-how and jargon, then it's very, very difficult. pictures certainly help. Anyway, I'll see you again, hopefully on the riverbank. Thanks, bye bye.